No, it's either I love TV or the view are just wonderful. One out of the two of them. Because Arena just like, I'm still at the Pree Dis right now. Alright, see right now, it's all about the Petcom gas feature of the week. And trust me, this is useful because they're going to teach you some little tricks and crafts where you never know about your cooking gas. So check it out. As a matter of fact, before you watch that, check out the view.
When them get my head confused and tuggy like the road and them dash overboard. The road and cut like a samurai sword. The road and come back with the bag load. The road like a me set the code. The road and them dash overboard. The road and cut like a samurai sword. The road and come back with the bag load. The road like a me set the code. Pass pan the ends, me see the youth them a post.
When we get the cylinder here for filling, we go through a safety procedure, check for leaks, we check for indentation, for rust, rotten cylinder. So once we ensure the safety of the cylinder before we actually send it out. When it gets to the customer, what we educate our customers through our sales representative that when connecting the cylinder, you should see that all the burners on the stove are off. Then when you connect, they check to see that where the connection that they made, that there is no leak. And this is simply done by getting some soap water and to pour on the connection on the stove. Once there's a bubble, you know that there's a leak. No bubble, good to go.
What do you think is it about Petcom cooking gas why customers continue to use this cooking gas?
One of the first things, the price. The second thing, we ensure. And if you talk to any of our customers outside of our presence, they'll tell you that whenever we deliver gas to them, we always talk them through the same procedure I just went through a while ago. And our price is always the cheapest. And so we encourage people to get more for less.
Explain to us what happens here at the plant on a daily basis.
On a daily basis, my responsibility, of course, I come in the mornings and I would walk the plant, I check my gas lines, I check my storage tanks, and go through the whole garment of our security procedure. And then we'll go into the operations area where we do all our filling. And I just explain that we select cylinders that are unfit to return to the market. We have an area around here where those that need to be sprayed, as you can, if you look across there, you'll see one of our workmen cleaning up the cylinder for spraying. And once we go to that, then we go to the scales, we check for measurements, fill our cylinders. The trucks which are going out for distribution, we'll have them loaded. And that's a daily procedure. We have 4 sizes. There's a 20 pound, 25 pound, a 30 pound, and a 100 pound.
And 100 pound, that's like for industrial use, right?
Yes, but it's also commonly used within our household because when you buy a 100 pound, you get better service in terms of contents. You serve much longer, you spend less for buying LPG. Thunderstorms usually come with lightning and thunder, as we know, and we know that the lightning can cause ignition. And so whenever, should we experience that, we would turn off our filling devices, shut down the operations until the storm is past because we know that this can cause fire.
And how long has the Portmore LPG been in operation here?
It has been in operation since 1998.
What kind of safety procedures are exercised while loading up the cylinders?
All right, you'll notice that the forklift carries a pallet. It starts with 32 cylinders. It is designed for so it can't carry more than that. And there's a certain way to prevent them falling off. I confess that sometimes, maybe because of orders, but 1 or 2 might fall off. But we encourage our drivers not to bang the cylinders around.
Renting. All right, don't say a word. All right, yeah, superstar dog. You get me? It's all about Pree Dis, and right now it's the second of our 2 video premieres, and right now, you don't know, it's all about Bugle with a thing called Don't Give Up. Now, Bugle, big up for all of the positive music that we always get dancer. So right now, check out Bugle brand new video. Me and Rin Tintin there part. Oh, Rin. Mad.
Every day, I feel like my best. Sometimes me have to pray if it's a trial or a test. Feel me woulda give up on my girl, me woulda left. I try to find a way, but me I take it step by step. Yeah. Mama tell me, I know she don't want me. More time the devil link can bring a friend around me. So please watch your back and watch your every step. When the pressures of life will make you fret, just don't give up. Yeah. although the struggle's hard. All when you play the game and you come first without reward. All when you lose the cash but John. All your friends forsake and gone. Just hold on to your faith and climb. Just don't give up. The battle is not lost. We a fight the fight, the victory like a rebel with a cross. Run the enemy chant.
Seneca, yeah man, yeah Biggs. Yeah, Biggs, you buy a cigarette? Alright, hold this. See there. So what the money? Here, we'll soon come back. We're going to just take one break. I'm going to defend my money right now. What my money there? We'll soon come back. Which part of my money there?
Me a beg a brighter day. Yeah, and there are days when